Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo VMount battery bracket kit. Power cables, ugh. Do you ever feel tied up by all the cables you have to lug around with you every day? Not only are they heavy and bulky, but they are a tripping hazard. And what if you have no mains power available, or you want to shoot in the great outdoors where there is no outlet to plug into? Batteries are the solution. A high percentage of modern LED light fixtures are powered by an AC adapter, which converts AC, alternating current, or mains power to DC, direct current, which is what batteries produce. With the right cable, the Kupo VMount bracket kit will help you power your lights and liberate you from those pesky cables. A VMount battery is the standard format professional battery that gets its name from the V-shaped connector to the V-shaped receiver on the battery plate. I know you may be thinking, but Jason, how do I choose which battery is right for me? Well, it's quite simple. Let's do some easy battery math. VMount batteries are rated in watt hours. For example, say I have a light that draws 90 watts at full power. With a 90 watt hour battery, I will get approximately 1 hour of continuous runtime at full power. If I were to have the power output, it would draw 45 watts and last 2 hours. Conversely, if my light draws 180 watts at full power, with a 90 watt hour battery, you will get about 30 minutes of runtime at full power. The Kupo VMount battery bracket kit consists of a super strong industry standard Convi Clamp, which can accommodate any size tubing between 0.2 and 2 inches. Attached to the Convi Clamp are 2 plastic pegs on which the bracket attaches to in a snap. The bracket itself is precision laser cut from steel and coated in an anti-reflective matte black. The back of the bracket features 2 eyelets on the back flange that hang from the plastic pegs on the Convi Clamp. Between the back flange and the battery plate, you'll find a cradle that supports your AC adapter or control unit. The cradle features an elasticized Velcro strap to secure the control unit in place. On the outside, you'll see the VMount battery plate. The battery plate features an industry standard power socket called a D-tap because it's shaped like the letter D. Enough chit-chat. Let's see this bad boy in action. First, we will place our Convi Clamp on the main riser and turn the handle clockwise to secure in place. Place the bracket's eyelets onto the plastic pegs and give a tug to make sure it's securely mounted. For AC operation, feed the AC adapter's connection cable through the top hole of the bracket as we slide the light's AC adapter into the cradle, and secure it in place with the Velcro strap. And connect the cable to the lights. For DC operation, take the D-tap cable that's compatible with your light fixture and plug the D side into the D-tap. Plug the barrel connector into the light fixture. Mount the battery by placing the V-shaped wedge or male adapter on the battery right above the V female adapter. Make sure the wedge is flush against the plate and gently push down until it clicks in place. Now we're ready to rock. As you can see, it's easy to go mobile with the VMount battery bracket kit. Not only are you unencumbered by extension cables, but you also free up floor space, avoid safety hazards, and add some ballast to your light stand for extra stability. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.